What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today, I want to talk to you about Whop again. So Whop is a course hosting digital product, all-in-one, amazing software that we've been using for months across not only my business, but my clients' businesses as well. And big news has just come out. They released 4.0. So this is the newest, most updated version of Whop. And in today's video, I want to give you guys a little bit of a demo and sort of paint the picture of why we use this versus other applications, and why if you work in info, or you have an info business, or you have clients in info, or anyone that sells digital products online, why it's probably most optimal for you guys to put your business or your clients onto Whop and the benefits that come with that. So first things first, let's break down our Whop. And as you guys can see here, this is one of my favorite features they've added, is we now have rankings. So you as a consumer, or you as this being your business, you can see where you stack up not only against your competition and everyone else on Whop, but also customers can go to the Discover marketplace and actually see all of these other Whops, okay? So as you can see here, we're ranked number 15 right now, which is super, super cool. And you can actually look at different leaderboards. So like most addicting, which is time on the platform, most reviews, hottest affiliate offers, which adds another big functionality of people being able to affiliate your products and your services and your offers on Whop, which just helps you make more money. So let's check out that Discover tab here. So we go to Discover, and you guys can see here, we have all these different businesses that are listed on the platform. This is kind of like, it reminds me of an Amazon functionality, being able to see different products and what's selling right now. And this is super, super, super cool to see. Now, one of the biggest reasons that I have moved over to Whop, and we actually put our clients on, and I want to tell you about this story. We recently closed a sales management client. So we're managing this client's sales process. And previously they only took wire. They only took wires from their customers. And I don't know if you know this, but taking wire is a good way to not make as much money as you possibly could, being able to take credit card, debit card, other payment methods, and let alone financing, right? So within Whop, it acts as its own payment processor. And if you're in info, you know that Stripe and all these other processors, they absolutely hate you. They kick you off, they hold your money. It's a pain. I haven't had a single dollar get held by Whop, and we've been paid out like immediately, nearly from payments coming in. So if we do 100K in a week, it's paid out in like a day. Like it is so fast. I've never had any problems. And they actually fight chargebacks and fraudulent chargebacks for you inside of the payment processing as well. Another really cool feature, payment related, is the ability to make payment links. So you guys can see here, like we have all of these different payment links, either for split pays or full pays or payment plans or financing or whatever that is. And we can literally just pop in, make a link, and then send that link out, and then the customer can literally check out on that link. And another really cool part about that is financing. Like financing obviously is a very big part of every industry that ever sells anything high ticket, and specifically info. Financing is kind of hard. Like you have Klarna, you have Afterpay, you have all these different financing companies, and Whop actually gives you the ability to integrate some of these into your payment links. That way, when a customer clicks on that link, they can actually see the relevant options for them to then get financing. Now, the next really cool update is mobile. So previously, Whop was really only on desktop. And I've covered the functionality before of the pricing and why it makes sense for info, and the actual UI of hosting your products on here is really, really clean. But one of the cooler things is this new mobile update. So let's jump in my phone here, and I want to show you guys this. So if I go to dashboard here, again, we still have the Discover feature, the same thing I showed you guys on desktop, which is super, super cool. But if we go to dashboard, I actually want to show you how easy it is to make a Whop. So if I hit this plus icon, we get this. And let's say I'm just going to make like a dummy one here. And let's name it Luke's Group, just for ease of use. And look what we got here. So I do want to talk about this as well. Whop right now has a 3K in 30 days challenge. And if you make 3 grand in 30 days by joining Whop, signing up using the product, you actually get your logo on a billboard in Times Square. You get a free 2-night hotel stay, Wagyu dinner at Whop HQ, and more. And guys, if you want to take advantage of that and you want to check out Whop, I actually have an affiliate link. It's going to be in the description of this video, and you guys are going to get the same benefits that I do as a partner with Whop if you click that link below. But anyway, let's continue here. So I'm going to create my Whop. So it's building Luke's Group. Game on for the 3K to 30-day challenge, which is actually super cool. It shows my progress here. But let's dive in. So now what I can do, and what I really love about this, is Whop has made the UI super, super clean and seamless to where everything is already done for you. So in the past, you had to use a software like ClickFunnels to host like a funnel and a membership site. And then you'd use like a Kajabi or School or something like that. And it never really all integrated. But now with Whop, you can do payments, you can do the UI, you can do the hosting, you can do the programs, the courses, different apps like a Discord sort of app or a chat app or a forum or a call calendar, which we use in my coaching companies. But I can actually go here, I can upload media as the banner of my Whop. You can actually make cool art, kind of like your YouTube channel header. I can go add a description description here, and I can show other people who I am as the owner of this Whop. So your personal brand plays into this as well. I can add who is this for? So like who exactly is the ideal prospect or customer for this Whop. I can add different pricing options, which we covered briefly with the payment options, with the ability to process so easily. And then we can add FAQs, so frequently asked questions about your product or whatever niche you're in or the service. And then really cool feature is the reviews. So previously in info, reviews were up to you. Like you showed your social proof, your testimonials, your clients, your success. But now I can actually see a community's reviews live on the platform the same way I see everybody else's. So if you are a reputable, solid company and you deliver a good product, it is now in your best interest for you to be on this platform, to be on the Discover feature, because you can see as a consumer, oh, this one is really good. This one's really good. I'm going to go join that Whop. The same way you would like an Amazon product that has a lot of listings or a lot of reviews. And then finally, the ability to become an affiliate. So if I am an affiliate, which guys, I don't know if you know the affiliate marketing space, it is responsible for billions and billions and billions and billions of dollars in digital product sales. Well, Whop is making it advantageous for affiliates to push your offer. So I can see here, if I go to this Whop, once I would have filled this out with the media and everything, I can actually set up an affiliate offer if different affiliates want to go sell my product and push my digital product online in other places. So let's touch base back onto my computer, guys. Holistically, when you're thinking of using something like Whop, like why would you use this over other platforms? The thing that I really like is just the ability to have everything in one place, the ability to process payments effortlessly and not worry about your industry or your certain vertical that you're in getting banned or having holds or any problems like that. And then really the ability to showcase your actual community and your actual product and platform and what do you actually offer as a company on Whop. So if I preview this as a visitor here, this is what people see when they come to Closer Cartel. So you can see it's branded here. It shows what we have. It shows the value stacking. It shows a little VSL actually literally in the header of this. It has payment options to join: Google Pay, Apple Pay. They can join with their credit card, their debit card, and other financing options. And then the really cool part, which I need to go get people to fill these out for us, but the reviews. So you can see how many users are in this Whop. You can see the actual real vetted reviews that are on this, and it gives customers a lot more comfortability and a lot more trust buying something like this. And then you can obviously show your different pricing points. Like we have a $40, a $9.97, and a $5K offer in Closer Cartel, which is what this Whop is for. And you can actually see reviews here. Like Samuel says something very great about us, and we can showcase that on our Whop. And then you can actually showcase the things that you get when you join this. So for us, for example, you get a course, coaching calls, another program, outreach program, a Discord, an inner circle support ability, like all these different things. You can value stack and really show people what they're getting. And now since Whop is basically a search function of some sort and sort of like an actual true marketplace, I can link my personal socials to this. So if someone finds me, they find my Whop based on reviews or based on revenue numbers or anything that looks good to the outside, they can go do research on me. They can click on my YouTube channel. They can click on my Instagram, on my Twitter, and actually check out who is this guy? Like, what does this program do? What am I going to learn? Why should I join this opposed to something else? And then finally, again, like I said, that affiliate here at the bottom. This is what a completed Whop looks like. And it's kind of a combination of really good UI, really clean functionality, and really easy searchability that you can kind of bundle all into one thing. And it allows us to, as info people, whether you're running your own company or whether you have info clients, it makes it frictionless. It makes it much more easy for people to work with you and to give you money and to sign up and become a customer, opposed to all these different softwares, all these different applications, and there's just too much friction. Like you have to opt into this and then check this email and then log into this and then get your password for this thing. And it just becomes a real mess at the end of the day. And I love the usability of Whop, like the actual UI here. Like for example, this is our low ticket program. We run ads to this. This is called Remote Freedom. Look how clean this is. And obviously you can see like kind of the editability here because I'm on the admin side. But when the customer comes into here, they just see a very clean, easy to use dashboard. It's the same as every other learning system that we're all familiar with in this space. But you can go through this very easily. It tracks your progress. It shows how many videos are there. And this is like our low ticket program. And look how many things that we have in here that Whop makes it look like, and it helps really like demonstrate the ability of how good is this program? How much am I getting? How much value am I getting? Because at this point, guys, the biggest problem we have in the info space is trust. We're kind of in a trust recession, as I've seen many people say. And being able to transparently show these things, transparently show reviews and pricing and value and what you're getting, and know that it's backed by a company like Whop, which is actually building somewhat of a big name for themselves as a trusted, reputable company. The same way you have a product on Amazon, you trust you're going to get that product if you go order it. The same thing is happening right now on Whop with digital products. So guys, those are a few of the reasons. And at the end of the day, when I look at something like this, I want easy to use function. I want really clean UI. I want to make it easy and enjoyable for someone to use my products and go through them. I want to make sure that my money is not messed with and I can actually process payments effectively. When I go earn a sale, I don't want to worry about that money getting held or caught up in something or Stripe shutting me down. Like, I've never had a problem ever using Whop as a processor. And then now with the new update, we have a mobile app and we have the actual ability to have the discover function and put your Whop, if you want, on the discover search tab so that people can see you in the marketplace and see what you're doing. Like, for example, right now, if I go to discover, Closer Cartel is literally in the top 15 of all companies on Whop, if I'm looking at this correctly, which is pretty freaking cool. One, for me as a business owner to see like how we rank and stack up to everybody else. But two, as a customer, if I'm coming in from ads or from something where there's not a lot of trust and I see, oh, they're ranked in the top 10. Oh, they're ranked in the top 5. Oh, they have all these 5-star reviews. My trust is a lot higher. So at the end of the day, guys, there's a lot of different platforms. There's a lot of different softwares out there. But for me and my businesses and my clients and the students that we teach how to run info companies, I think this is the most optimal solution. And I'm really, really happy using this as a customer and as a partner with Whop and giving you guys the ability to do the same thing. So thank you for checking this out, guys. If you want to take advantage of that 3K in 30 days challenge and get flown out to New York, go get a free hotel stay and get your company put on a Times Square billboard, which is actually pretty cool, just check out the link in the description of this video and you guys will get the same access that I do as a partner. So thank you guys for watching. I love Whop. We really, I don't do reviews for companies if we don't believe in them, and we've had nothing but the best time. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.